Welcome back to my channel Vidyabyasa. Today we are going to do Unit 4 Life Around Us. Okay, look at this beautiful colorful page. Okay, it has so much blue and green in it, right? It completely shows about the nature. There is sky, there are clouds, there are trees, there's a boy sitting, there's a bird flying. We'll see what the poem is all about. Life around us. What do you mean by life around us, children? Around us, what and all are there? There are so many things which has life, which does not have life. Okay, which does not have life are buildings, cars, shops, etc. But what about life around us? What has life? There are trees, insects, birds, animals, people. Correct? Yes. Now, life around us. We'll see that. A show of clouds. Okay. Now, a show of clouds means a show. Show means what? There is something to show and you have something to see. Okay. Now we say the show timings of a movie, or the show timings of the drama, the show timings of dance. Okay, so like that, a show of clouds. Okay, we'll read the poem, you will understand. As I lie on my back looking up at the sky, I see a big white bear looking down at me. Now this boy is telling that as he lies on his back, okay, like this, the way he is resting on his back, this is back. Okay, looking up at the sky, he looks up at the sky. Okay, I see a big white bear looking down at me. So he sees a bear just looking at him. Okay, and this is like an imagination, children. Imagination in the sense, you imagine you are lying on a grass, or you're just lying on your terrace and you see the clouds. Okay, on a nice morning. Okay, and what do you see? You see lot of clouds, right? Few clouds will be in a shape where you can literally recognize and say this looks like that, this is looking like a bear, this is looking like a kite, this is looking like a round shape, something like that. Okay, so he sees the cloud which looks like a big white bear, and he feels that it is also looking at him. Okay, next, as I lie on my back looking up at the sky, I see a ship sailing on a white sea. Here there is a ship picture given which is not clear here, but if you observe you will get to know. What do you mean by ship, children? The bigger boat is called as ship, and when it moves we call it as sailing on a white sea. Why is it a white sea? Because the clouds are white in color. Okay, so he feels that he's seeing a ship sailing on a white sea. Next, as I lie on my back looking up at the sky, I see an elephant waving its trunk at me. Look at this, he looks at an elephant waving its trunk at me. What do you mean by waving, children? When you find a friend or when you find a known person, how do you say hi? You raise up your hand and wave it, no? That is called as waving. Okay, so for an elephant, it waves its trunks. Okay, sorry, it waves its trunk. So he feels that he sees an elephant and that elephant is waving its trunk at him. Okay, next, as I lie on my back looking up at the sky, oh, it's fun to me to see whatever I want to see. So whatever the boy feels like seeing, he's just seeing it and he feels it is amazing. He feels it so fun and he's just enjoying it. Okay, you also have to do this, children. Just go above your terrace and sleep and you see the different shapes of clouds, and you can find out, you can make out that this looks like similar objects or similar animals or something like that. Okay, so he is just enjoying doing this. Okay, yes, children. So what and all the boy sees here, children? At first he sees a big white bear, Then he sees a ship sailing in the wide sea. And he sees an elephant waving its trunk. Let's go to the next page. The poem was very small and nice, no children. If you imagine this, you feel so good, Okay, and you have to do it also. Yes, children. Sight words. These are the words which appear in the poem, children. As, up, at, my, sky, back. New words. Lie. What is lie, children? Lie is, it has two meanings, okay? Lie is just sleep, or lie is opposite to the truth. When the words are not true, we call it as lie, okay? Now, bear, you know what is bear? Sea. Ocean, sea, yes. Sailing, the moving of the boat or the ship is called as sailing, okay? Usually we use it for ship is sailing, not boat is sailing. Ship is sailing. Next, waving. I told you the meaning about it. Okay. Let us speak. Say aloud. Sit outside your home or in an open space and watch the clouds go by. Next day, tell the class what you saw. This is what I told you, children. You should be doing this. You feel so good, You feel the clouds are moving slowly and it just looks like a cotton candy, Yes. What are the colors of the clouds? Tick the colors that clouds will be. Usually it will be white, red, no. Black, no. It will be grey. Sometimes it will be blue. Okay? Yes, children. Answer the questions asked by the teacher. Okay? When you look up in the sky, what do you see? The teacher asked. So the child one answers, when I look up, I see. What do we see when we look up in the sky? We see clouds. Correct. Next, teacher asks, when you look down at the ground, what do you see? When I look down, I see grass. Next, when you close your eyes, what do you see? When I close my eyes, I see nothing. You can't see anything, no, if you close your eyes. Yes. Now look at this beautiful picture here. What and all are there? There's a mountain, snow-capped mountain, aeroplane, sun, clouds, few birds, hill, tree, river flowing, car, elephant. A girl is flying the kite. There's some factory. There's a bridge. There are fishes. There are fish. And there's a scarecrow. There's a heart. There's a cow. So many things are there in this picture. Trees, fruits. Yes, children, let's go to the next page. Answer the following questions. In the poem, what animals did the child see as he looked up at the clouds? So what animals did he see? The child could see white, bear, and an elephant. I am writing "and" because E is a vowel. Okay. What do you see in the sky during the day? Write any three things. What do you see in the sky during the day, children? Here they have given the picture. See, during the day, during the night. So what and all we see? We see sun, we see birds, and we see clouds. Correct. What do you see in the sky at night? We see moon, stars. Okay? Yes, children. Picture time. Join the dots in alphabetical order and color the picture. This is a fun activity, children. You have to do. See, join it according to the alphabetical order. We'll do it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. It's a beautiful orange butterfly. There are gaps in between. You have to color that, okay? And decorate it nicely, children. Okay. Let us listen. Repeat after the teacher. This poem has the word back. Yes. Listen to your teacher and say the following words with your teacher. Now, we have back word in this poem. So, pack, lack, jack, rack. These are the rhyming words or ACK words. Okay. You can see ACK, 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 ACK. These are called as ACK words and it is rhyming too. Next, pick, tick, flick, tick. This is ICK words. ICK, 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 ICK. And they are rhyming too. Next, pluck, duck, muck, truck. UCK, 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 UCK. These are UCK words. So what sound is common in these words? That is what I told you. This is ACK, this is ICK, this is UCK. Okay? Yes, children, by this we come to an end of this chapter. The workbook of this chapter I'll be doing in the next video. If you like my teaching, please give a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all. Bye.